Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here. Hope you're all doing well today. Now, before we get into today's news, let me just go over the market today, or most of the market. Bitcoin's up quite a bit today, 7.65%, just basically at 6K. Let's just round that up to 6K. Bitcoin has hit 6K. That is some pretty good news. I mean, of course, it hit 6K before. It's not the first time it's hitting 6K. As you can see over here, but it's nice that it's coming back to it. I said in a previous video, I think it was either in a previous video or one of my Instagram posts, which if you don't follow me on Instagram, link in the description, make sure you do that, guys. Yeah, so Bitcoin is almost at 6K. Ethereum is just up. Ethereum's been having some trouble lately getting past like the mid 300s. Like it was at like 340, dipped down, and it's hopping back up. But I do think Ethereum is going to I think it's going to hit 350 by Christmas. That's my prediction for Ethereum. Ripple XRP up 0.15%. Not too much going on here at the moment, but I think long-term XRP is going to do quite well. Bitcoin Cash coming in up about 4%. So Bitcoin Cash is doing all right, but overall, I'm not a big fan of Bitcoin Cash. Litecoin has been doing all right, up about 2.24%, which isn't bad. It's, some modest gains. You're not going to every day have a spike. And you have BitConnect, which is up 11.77%. Take my advice, guys. Stay away from BitConnect. Please, for the love of God, stay the hell away from it. I'm not going to, I don't believe in BitConnect. All right, I think it's a scam, but that's for another video. I'm not gonna go into that in this. And I know I piss people. Some people are fine when I say that, but some people get pissed off because they own money or they have money in BitConnect. Just take your money out, guys. Please, 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 please. I really do care about you guys, the people who own BitConnect, who are, they believe it. I do care about you, but I'm telling you, I'm not saying this because I don't want to see you lose out on money, right? I'm telling you this because I don't want to see you lose money. I don't think BitConnect has a very good structure to it. I don't think it's really going to go anywhere. I think it's just a scam where newer investors' money is used to pay older investors, and it just keeps cycling, kind of like a Ponzi scheme. But yeah, that's the market for today. I don't want to go into every single coin, but as you can see, the market is overall doing very mixed today, but the top, 5 coins are doing pretty well. So that's the market. Now let's go over here, and that is today's news story. Peter Thiel, he's a billionaire. I'm a fan of Peter Thiel. He is sort of like a futurist, and he's a libertarian, and he's an entrepreneur. He's very big on entrepreneurship, very big on encouraging people to start their own business. I'm a fan of Peter Thiel. I think he's a great guy. So, billionaire Peter Thiel said people are underestimating Bitcoin and it has great potential left, quote unquote. Thiel said he is skeptical of most cryptocurrencies except Bitcoin. He compares Bitcoin to gold. Let's break this down. So the second thing he said, where he's skeptical of other cryptocurrencies. I think, I'm skeptical of a few other, let me rephrase that. I'm skeptical of some other cryptocurrencies, but the ones that I'm very positive about are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Those are the ones that I feel are the most secure and the most established, right? And I would also I would like to add an XRP to that as well. XRP, I think, has a very good long-term prospect, so to speak. I think it has long-term potential. So those are the 4 cryptos that I feel have the most potential, and I feel are the safest. So if you're looking for the least amount of volatility, I would go for those. But as far as the other cryptos, I don't feel like they are. He said he's skeptical. I'm skeptical about some of them, but I feel like most of them are legitimate. They're legitimate cryptocurrencies. It's just, are they going to succeed or are they going to flop? That's the question. And I feel like a lot of them are going to succeed, but some of them might flop. Cryptocurrency is not a get-rich-quick scheme where you just put money in and expect to become a millionaire. You have to find the right coins. You have to sell at the right time, buy at the right time. And, I always advise buy and hold. Don't day trade. Don't swing trade. Just buy and hold. Hold your cryptos long term. That is the best thing. The only time I would advise swing trading or possibly day trading is if you're like me and you understand how markets work and you know how to use charting data. And even I knowing that stuff, don't usually day trade. Occasionally I swing trade, which swing trade is more of a like a weekly, monthly basis, whereas day trading is more of like daily, of course, in the name day trading. But I don't really even do it that much because it's so risky, and I like buying and holding. I buy my crypto, I hold them for long periods of time, and I see my money grow. So that is my opinion there. Let's go down a little bit. He compared Bitcoin to gold. Bitcoin is a lot like gold, but it is better than gold, has a lot more potential than gold. One of the things that makes it a lot like gold is that it has a limited supply, right? The limited supply thing is what really matters to cryptocurrency users and to people like me, because that prevents a central bank just from inflating away your savings and taking away the value you have saved. So Bitcoin being like gold is not untrue. It is like gold, but it's better than gold. So people are underestimating Bitcoin, and it has great potential left. Billionaire investor Peter Thiel said on Thursday, speaking at the Future Investment Initiative in Saudi Arabia. Thiel compared the cryptocurrency Bitcoin to gold. I'm skeptical of most of them. Speaking about cryptocurrencies, I do think people are a little bit underestimating Bitcoin, especially because it's like a reserve form of money. It's like gold, and it's just to store of value. You don't need to use it to make payments. He's absolutely right. If Bitcoin ends up being the cyber equivalent of gold, it has great potential left. There has been rising interest in Bitcoin this year. The cryptocurrency recently hit a new high above 6,100. I did cover that, I believe, on Instagram, and has rallied over 500% this year. Thiel said that Bitcoin is based... Oh, I didn't cover that on Instagram. I think I covered that on YouTube. Sorry about that. Thiel said that Bitcoin is based on the security of the math, which is completely true, and basically means it can't be hacked and it's secure, because you can't hack an algorithm. There's no hacks to a mathematical formula. People think Bitcoin's like this cyber thing on the web. It's not. There's no way to hack into Bitcoin. You can hack exchanges and you could hack online vaults. That's completely true. But you can't hack Bitcoin itself. It is unhackable. That's the truth of it. And that's not... You're going to hear people say, oh, well, it is hackable. Everything's hackable. Not everything's hackable if it's not an online thing. It's not a hardware thing. It is a mathematical algorithm. It cannot be hacked. So that's the news for today. Peter Thiel, guys, is very much interested in Bitcoin and thinks it has potential. The markets are mixed. Hope you guys have a great day. It's Thursday. It's rainy. It sucks today. And I'm just going to be inside most of the day, trading some cryptos, or not trading, buying some cryptos and doing some more research for my next video, hopefully tomorrow, if not, most likely on Saturday. Stay in touch, guys. Comment below, follow me on Instagram, and I will catch you later.